Hey guys, haven't made a video in a while, but I've been doing a lot of research, and you can probably figure out what it's on, because these are not the typical 30th anniversary blue wheels. Just an extra set of chrome wheels that I had for my 96 Firebird. So I've been doing some research trying to find a place that can restore the blue wheels. Done a lot of research on the internet, looking forums and stuff like that, and didn't seem to make a ton of headway. I did find one place in Nebraska that thought they could, they're pretty good with restoring aluminum wheels and repolishing and whatnot, but the tricky part's obviously finding the right transparent blue paint. And so here's one of the original wheels for my car. From a distance, they look pretty good, but when you get up a little bit closer, you can see there's some curb rash there on the edges. Just a little bit of corrosion here in the aluminum lip here. And then you can see here where the blue tint's coming off. It's kind of going back to just like a polished state. Same thing going on here. And overall, the original factory color is kind of faded. My car spent a lot of time down in the south, so I think just the sun beating on it and stuff like that kind of faded the color. But been wanting to try to find a place that could get them restored to almost new. So I mentioned I found this place in Nebraska. I'll show you here. I found a spare wheel on eBay for a couple $100 because I didn't want to, if it didn't work out, I didn't want to mess up my good wheel. So this is a little interesting, but I'll show you guys. This is the best they could come up with. It doesn't actually look terrible on video. In person, it's got more of a turquoise color to it. But even though mine's a little bit faded, this is not transparent enough. It's way too blue, because if you look at the cap here, I mean, that's kind of the blue you're going for, and it's totally different. So, I mean, they did a really nice job. They refinished the whole wheel, and the quality is really good. It's just not transparent enough, and the hue of the color's a little off. Like I said, there's some turquoise in it. You can kind of see. I don't know why it doesn't show up as well on video, but so obviously going for more of a transparent look, so you can kind of still see the shine coming through of the polished aluminum, but this is faded. So something in between these two. And when I post the video, I'll throw up some other pictures of wheels that are in really good shape. But long story short, after I got this one back, did a little more research, and found a shop in Michigan. So I'm in Cleveland, so found a shop in Michigan, not too, only 3 hours away from me. And he's got a guy that used to work for Alcoa Aluminum Wheels, and I'm pretty sure that Alcoa was the ones that did these wheels in the first place. I could be wrong about that, but in any case, I guess he's done 8 or 9 30th anniversary cars, restored the wheels, and I met a guy online, and he had his wheels on, and they looked really good, and gave me their information. So that's why I got my chrome wheels on here, just temporary, and I'm gonna drive these guys up to Michigan this weekend, and they're gonna start the restore process. So hopefully all goes well. If I post the video with the finished product, then obviously it went well. A little nervous about it, but from what I've seen on the other guy's car, it looked really good. So I think it's going to come out way better than this. So hopefully, if it works out great, I'm obviously, I'll in the next part of this video kind of go over it. We'll check them all out, see how they look, and then I'll post all the information in the description of the video. So if anybody wants to get their wheels redone, they can they'll have all the information to do that. So Anyway, stay tuned for the next part of the video. Thanks.